An educational video by Patanjali Rishikul Prayagraj for class 4 subject EVS2 science topic force, work and energy. Hello children, in the chapter force, work and energy, our today's topic will be work and simple machines and different forms of energy. So let us first see what is work and simple machines. Work. Work is said to be done whenever a force moves something. A machine is a device that makes work easier for us. Machines can be simple or complex. Complex machines usually contain combinations of simple machines. Examples of simple machines are lever, inclined plane, wedge, pulley and screw. An inclined plane is a flat supporting surface tilted at an angle with one end higher than the other. It is used as an aid for raising or lowering a load. A pulley is a machine consisting of a wheel which is designed to have a rope passing around it. A pulley enables us to lift heavy weights by pulling the rope downwards. A lever is a simple machine consisting of a rigid rod balanced at a fixed point or fulcrum. A claw hammer used to pull out nails is an example of a lever. A screw is an inclined plane wrapped around a pole. Some simple examples are the screws on jars and bottles. The wheel and axle make it possible to move heavy loads easily. Here we can see examples of wheel and axle. Energy means the capacity to do work. For example, to use our arms to lift things, we need to have energy in the muscles in our arms. Our next topic is forms of energy. There are many forms of energy such as light energy, electrical energy and sound energy. However, all forms of energy are either kinetic or potential. Kinetic energy is the energy within a moving object. Potential energy is the energy stored in a stationary object due to its position. For example, water stored at a height has a potential energy and flowing water has kinetic energy. The energy that we receive from the sun is known as solar energy. The sun's energy reaches us in the form of heat and light. Chemical energy is stored in the particles of substances like food and fuels. The chemical energy in the food we eat allows us to move. When fuels such as petrol and gas are burned, they provide energy in the form of heat. Sound energy. Sound is another form of energy that is transferred from a vibrating object and carried through the air to our ears. There are different kinds of sounds. They can be high or low. High sounds are made by fast vibrations and low sounds are made by low vibrations. Wind energy. We can use wind to transport us from place to place. For example, by using hang gliders or yachts. We also use wind energy to turn windmills to pump water and to generate electricity. Electrical energy. Electrical energy can come from batteries and power plant. Power plants burn fuel to make electricity for homes and factories. Fans, computers, refrigerators and other machines use electrical energy. Hydro energy. Moving water has a lot of energy called hydro energy. This energy is harvested by building dams on rivers. Dams allow the water to fall from a great height and with great force onto turbines, creating energy. This energy is used to generate electricity. I hope children, you all have understood. Thank you.